baphethe kunjani cameraman thina mfocus wela Mswati lo mnanzi football fusion sibuyile with another one and angihambi ngiyi1 phakachuchu
Wala bafethu kunjani ntoza abantu on screen sibuyile futhi yithi laba
thina sibuyile futhi sebayazi ngisho senajwayela kwabanga mina imisindo so sikhuluma ngePirates so kule video we're going to be talking Pirates Stellenbosch is playing Pirates at Cape Town ADHL isimo selike sinje asazi my friend after derby usarecover awudlali abanye badlali ezingazi yadlala wena awudlali usarecover right because apparently bengidlala ikarate so ikhathazile ikarate kulungile
angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngedabi shame but I think at this stage esikusona especially nje if ubhekene ne league kuphela aba games awasekho maningi is proper rest kahle happening unless une ma game in hands and what not njengoba nje Sundowns bedlala ngolesithathu yaphinde yadlala weekend
iyadlala futhi ngalesithathu
yaphinde yadlala ngolesithathu futhi angiboni ukuthi good for us ukuthi singadlala isikhathi eside however we can look kuma positives kuzinto efana nalezo because one we are fresh but in terms of fitness match fitness iyasibulala but in terms of ukudlala si fresh we will be fresh for tomorrow game engekho lula at all I'm sure you already know that. All that game.
No, you're playing Stellenbosch away. Will be a good derby. And a good derby, not to take anything away. Good derby, you did show up. You know, I think you did show up, especially maybe second half. You did show up.
Mina ngagusho nje bafuna kubuyela kwedabi. One
No.
team was there to play, the other one was there to kick people. That's all.
But what do you mean? Because the other team scored the first goal. That tells you the head.
Phela nje uyabona nje ukuqala ngoba uthi scored the first goal because
one.
referee walivumela leli ukuthi libe lokuqala leli lakho. Phela lokho ku-arguable.
Okay, it's fine.
Sure ukuthi kwakwi offside. Kube yimina wrong.
Yiphi offside? Elami.
Ngisho elami mina lele ngalikora lokuqala elingabalwanga. Sure ukuthi kwakwi offside kube yimina wrong. Uthi hayi hey kwakwi offside leyani.
Going to Stellenbosch.
Going
to Stellenbosch. Go udlala Stellenbosch, udlala away. The last time you played was it derby. Yini mhlambe besides ukuthi you were saying you kicked the good derby. What would you want to change coming from a derby to Stellenbosch?
I think engakufisa mina kwePirates because one thing esikhona ne-instilled kwi-team in style of play, the way we play. I like that ukuthi siyazi ukuthi siwina kanjani.
Spitty fireball.
It's controlled God. We don't just go kuphela. Si controlled. Ngifisa ukuthi i-team realize ukuthi ama teams nawo ayakwazi ukuyibona ukuthi idlala kanjani.
They can read that.
Hence ngithi kuhle ukuthi sine identity but i-identity yethu sikwazi kuba dynamic kahle kahle. Yes, ngikhuluma kakhulu no coach in this instance because that's where it lies ukuthi yabona uphuma kaMoremi in that game ububona ukuthi kustand kangakanani because we know ukuthi uMoremi uqhamuka ne different dynamic to what you guys know because we expect ukuthi uApolice uzokwenza ukuthi uFukeng uzokwenza ukuthi and then this one akayenzi lento le enfuna ninayenza sometimes
creative
not necessarily creativity but aga is not a ball player as such. Sometimes they'll carry, sometimes they'll pass, sometimes they'll shoot ekuthanda futhi ukushuta yabo in a way unongamthembi mawumakile because you don't know ukuthi yini azoyenza so unaleyo edge over opponent and i different dimension ebesina ukuphuma kwakhe kusilimaze kakhulu kule game ne-approach ke ka-coach mfethu uyabona ngoba kithi sine-identity ibuye isilimaza lento le kwi-midfield because midfield wise if sasidlala that game yakho siyidlala with the players that I know in the middle field will perform like your Namtshatjela and Umbat, both starting the game, it was going to be a different result for me. You would have scored, but it was going to be different in such a way that tactic yako was not going to work that much because you find players who will find the spaces coming from deep. Khuluma ngabo Mbatha noNamtshatjela angithi they cover the ground box to box omunye mehambile omunye uyasala kanjalo yabo. But now coach wami decided to form Makaula in that game, so I didn't understand that.
No,
but second half ngoba uthi nje sasidlala because wathi sefake that one.
Yes, because mhlawumbe beyangafuni ukuthi because Makaula is more defensive, so there was no creativity, there was nothing happening esiswini for second first half. So mhlawumbe that is why mhlawumbe wamkhipha bese ufaka uNamtshatjela.
Yeah. Nanokuthi you could tell ukuthi Chiefs is defending.
Yes.
They want to catch us on the counter and whatnot.
More
than anything, the Chiefs into a protector in that game. Ukuthi asikwazi ukudliwa iPirates or asikwazi uku-embarrasswa iPirates again. That's what they were trying to ukuyivala mangibuka mina ngokubuka kwami.
Okay, it's fine.
But let's focus more on the game.
Forget about us, we're doing fine. It's not about us, so it's about you going to Stellenbosch. And okay, right now you feel like going to Stellenbosch in the middle of the park. I'm thinking, who's this? Makaula, Namtshatjela.
Yeah.
Do you agree on that?
Yeah. All day long, I will tell you, Uti, I prefer a player who doesn't only mark, but who's creative in terms of creating a space. Creating a space means that sometimes you do a simple thing instead of doing the hard thing. Uzolupa ibhola, uzothatha ibhola uye phambili only to find out ukuthi uyaxakeka masuphambili nebhola. Carry ibhola kungafanele ngabe uyalikhera. That's doing simple things. You're creating a space for other people who are barefoot now. You're making it easy for us. So that's why I prefer uNamtshatjela. I'm one person, no defender, even in a life for me, because I know what good he can do for us. Yeah. But going into that game, I know who Kevin Hunt will plan well for this game. That we cannot take away from.
So ngiyasaba Stellenbosch.
Angeke ngithi ngiyasaba because ngoba ngisho ngithi sine identity, that means we are going there to impose ourselves.
Actually it's easy to prepare for you.
Yeah.
Unless when you come prepared to have option B.
Exactly. So now we're looking for amanyama answers when we get difficulties. We need to find solutions around that. But in terms of indlela edlala ngayo, it's well known now.
It's an open book.
Yeah.
So manje Stellenbosch Mosbuga usababa Titus uzokhona ukumaintain kulo back four yakho entenga le.
But I don't play with individuals. They can shine on the day. I'm just saying nothing away.
I'm just saying with Stellenbosch. Obviously there's that pacey Titus.
Let me tell you this. How Stellenbosch can beat us, it's how Stellenbosch beats you. If you remember when we were playing in, was it Nedbank? Yes, Nedbank, where Titus scored 2 goals.
Yeah.
That's how they can beat us. Why ngisho njalo akukhona ukuthi uTitus uyena oshayinayo. They are playing as a team and they focused on the game plan now, which means that one can shine. Ngaba uTitus because badlala more free roles or Titus, so they're the ones to take risks and whatnot. But angikwazi ukubuka yena yedwa into engizamukisho because mina I'm there to impose myself. We Stellenbosch. Yeah.
So, but uyababona ngithi when they're sitting on the lock,
Yes.
they're a team that is maybe it's hopeful to say want to qualify for the top 8, and then now at the
Exactly.
same time you're a team that's saying no, we cannot afford to lose point if we're saying we are qualifying for this, winning this league actually.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what kind of a game is difficult for both teams?
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
Another thing, ukuthi i-Stellenbosch sibonile phela history ukuthi wena history doesn't have play.
History doesn't have a play for me, Baba.
We know ukuthi how they prepare for
Yeah.
these big games, you know. Before Kevin Hunt may come with a different tactic, but they always are that dangerous team to these big teams. Sundowns will tell you. You are also
I'm a
Fagas. I'm also a victim for that matter. You know, it's just that it looks better for us this season. They haven't hurt us at all, in fact.
But
So
you know,
they are looking good to do
Kevin
what
Hart
they
what
do
he's gonna
best.
play, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know, man. You wanna make any score predictions?
I'm saying the score prediction, you know that.
But even if
I'm
it's
seeing us
even if
going
it's
through.
not a score,
Yeah.
you see,
Pirates
you
winning.
guys.
That's
But Faith, I don't know. There you have it. You can comment down below. It's Stellenbosch up against Orlando Pirates. Who's taking 3 points? Can the Buccaneers keep the pressure for a league? We don't know. But again, we'll be there to witness it. Siyabonga.